Hello everyone, it's Monday, March 30th, and welcome to our daily Pearson Clinical Assessment video newscast. My name is Tina Eichstedt, speech language pathologist and senior product manager in Washington State.
Hi, I'm Nancy Castilleja. I'm also a speech language pathologist and a senior product manager, and I live in San Antonio, Texas.
We have 3 news items to share with you today. Nancy?
So our first one is that our new telepractice website is live. So that we can bring you the most relevant updates in the most efficient, accessible way, we have updated our telepractice webpage. The new page will make it easier for you to see the day's hot topics, as well as navigate areas of interest to you. You can watch videos like this one, register for webinars, view product-specific information, see a listing of all the news bites, and find the latest updates. We have many documents that provide guidance on how to administer specific products via telepractice, and we're working as fast as we can to get more of those online. We know how important communication is at this time, so there's also an option for you to contact your sales representative, submit a question or two that you'd like for us to cover, or simply be added to our email list for updates.
Our second news item of the day is free manuals and stimulus books are now available on Qglobal. We're very pleased to let everyone know that the 100+ manuals and stimulus books in Qglobal are now live and available free in the Qglobal resource library. If you need guidance accessing these free resources, please check out our video, Qglobal Deep Dive, Accessing Digital Assets, found on the Telepractice webpage in the Newsroom section. A list of the test manuals, stimulus books, and other resources can also be found in the top right corner of the Telepractice landing page. We are also working on adding more free test resources on Qglobal, and we'll keep you up to date as to when they will be available. We know we don't have all the answers, and we know that there's also a lot we can't do for you right now, but this we can do, and we're very pleased to do it.
And our third headline is based on customer questions around, what if I bought something on Qglobal already and now it's free? Some of you may have already purchased the manuals and stim books that we're making available for free on Qglobal. The free access that we're currently providing is temporary in order to address COVID-19 related telepractice needs. Those who previously purchased these materials will continue to have permanent access, and for that reason, we're not crediting those previous purchases.
Those are the headlines of the day. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.